Hello to everyone new to my channel, and hello again to my regular visitors. I'm Teacher Mel. I train people who need to take Ielts, Toefl, Eiken, Toeic, and other academic writing tests. As you know, those English tests aren't cheap. Good preparation is key to making it without wasting any money. Since I've also had quite an extensive experience giving lectures on speaking and writing for business purposes, such as giving presentations, email handling, job interviews, and the like, you'll see content about those as well. But before we proceed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on good content relevant to your test preparation. In the previous video, we covered the introduction, what makes your readers, and in your case, the examination raters, form a favorable first impression of your writing and read your essay with anticipation. In this video, we'll dissect the elements of a good body paragraph. These make for a compelling body paragraph. What's the function of a body paragraph? It explains, proves, with relevant supporting details. And the questions to ask? What's your point? Why is this paragraph relevant to your thesis? Have you given sufficient evidence to justify your point of view? And the structure? Keep in mind I's. I for introduce your point. C for cite evidence. E, explain the relevance of your evidence. That's I's. And let's add another C. It's for conclusion. This is the I in I's. The goal is to make a standout topic sentence. Supporting details, specific evidence and analysis that support your assertion. Provide a deeper insight into your argument. How to achieve that? Make a specific point in each paragraph and prove that point. One achieved in this part is to have a convincing argument. Keep those in mind, and you will have a memorable concluding statement. Remember this topic? We did this in our previous video about good introductions. What we'll do here is to write a body paragraph for this introduction. Excited? Just a reminder, use academic word choice. Mind the thesaurus and other resources for that. So, let's get on with the task. Remember, eyes. The topic sentence should stand out. And here it is. We need to write a compelling support. And don't forget the concluding sentence of your paragraphs. They have to be as memorable. I'm feeling very generous today, so I'll develop 3 topics in this video. We've done one. This is the second topic. Let's buckle down and develop this topic now. Go ahead, take a minute or two to read it. We've covered topic sentence, support, conclusion, using eyes. The thesaurus will be a mainstay because it's our main tool. So, let's develop the third topic now. And here goes your third topic. That's the end of today's training. Coming up next is the conclusion.